Not going to keep you long with this one today. It's fantastic. We're going to go straight in. Beetroot, which was raw. I've peeled that and boiled that for 5 minutes or so. Potatoes, peeled them, blanched them off or boiled them off. It took a few minutes. Green beans, same again. So these three items are cooked. In fact, you can still see a little bit of steam from those potatoes. Really easy salad dressing we're going to make. We're going to throw some onions in there. Then we've got olive oil, 2 parts to 1 part of lime juice. You could use lemon if you want. And here I've got some fresh ginger, which I've cut into nice little sticks. That gives it a really lovely flavour. I love it. That's about it. Bit of salt, bit of seasoning. But yeah, all into a bowl. Gonna give it a mix. Okay, mixing bowl, large mixing bowl. Onions, green beans, beets, and our potatoes. There are 4 ingredients. Now our ginger. Like I said, I've chopped that into small sticks like that. Really lovely they are in there. We're then going to go with the olive oil. And I'm using olive oil. You could be using something else if you wanted, different oil. And the lime juice, 2 to 1. Some ground black pepper. Pinch of salt. Now this is where it gets interesting. You can now add some other flavours like fennel, which is great in there. I love fennel with beetroot. Some caraway maybe. I'm going to get a little bit of the caraway, just a little tiny pinch or 2, and the fennel. But some cumin powder in there will be really nice as well. Some chilli. You can play around with this as much as you like. If you wanted some fresh mint in there, cilantro or coriander, also works really well. Simply going to give that a mix. It's done. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Helps us out a great deal. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.